I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 360 lace wig from Ashimary Hair. Ashimary Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and let me tell you, their lace always eats. The parting space just gives. They are not one of those companies who is going to cheat you on your lace at all. But I was like, let me do this cute little bond. It's so cutesy. I love like a cute little messy bond. It eats. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Ashimary Hair. Let's go ahead and get into it, you guys, because I'm pretty excited. Ashimary always eats. The amount of parting space you get on the wigs never disappoint me. Never. So let's go ahead, crack this baby open. Okay, I feel like Ashimary improved the box. Okay, you get this pretty little box. And you get a shopping bag, so that is super duper cute. But let's go ahead and unbox this wig and see what we're working with here. I'm really excited. As you can probably tell, I'm pretty excited right now. Bam, here it is. So we're going to sit the wig to the side and see what we're working with here. So you get this cute little headband, cutesy. A bonnet, okay, Ashimary, with their branding on it. Their robes are always super duper nice. You get a whole robe here, like come on now. And here are directions on the wig. So this is actually their 360 lace wig. So I'm really excited. We're gonna be able to do a cute little updo, which is really bomb when you have like a curlier texture. I love that. This little lace tape, which I've been using recently, and this stuff actually is fantastic, you guys. I was pretty intimidated, but this stuff is good, you guys. And then here's a package of a bunch of gifts. So let's see what gifts we have here. Let me get close to you guys today. Let me show you all what we have here. So here's an edge brush. You get a headband. Here are 2 wig caps, HD wig caps at that. Makeup sponges, bam. Ooh. Bobby pins, and lastly, some 3D mink lashes. Pretty cutesy. So let's actually move on to this wig, because this is what the girls are waiting for here. So let's actually look at this wig. It looks pre-plucked already, honey. I am excited. It looks like it's pre-plucked. And this curl pattern, the curls in this wig, it's already curled too, which is really cutesy. Like here you go, like you see, you already have the curls in it. And here's how the lace is looking. Like it is pre-plucked to the gods, honey. Like it looks so good. I cannot wait to put this wig on. Bam, here it is, you guys. It is looking really good. So what I'm going to do is firstly just add a little lace tint to the lace to get it just a little closer to my skin tone. So let's do that first. Oh, and let me show you all this parting space. So here's the parting space. Like I told you, Ashimary is not gonna disappoint you with the parting space. So you got parting space right there, and then you have more lace in the back. So it wraps all the way around, you guys. So I'm obsessed. Love it. Let's just add a little lace tint. Not too much. Instruction manual for the 13x6 wigs, which is fantastic. So it has like these little clear invisible straps here. That is super duper cool. Okay, let me show you all. I'm gonna show you all the invisible straps because it's in the wig. I'm gonna show you. So yes, it's pre-bleached. The strap is silicone. I'm over here reading this thing. This is actually really interesting. This is good. So I'm gonna slap this wig on and see what we're working with, but let me show you all this invisible strap here. So here is the strap. Like right there, bam. There's like an extra little band so you can tighten it, and it's like on both sides here. So that is really cool. And the straps, I've never seen anything like this. That's why I had to read the instruction manual. The straps actually, the clear string I showed you, it runs through the back of the wig. Cause I feel like a lot of 360 wigs aren't very secure. I'm really excited to see what this one is like. So I guess as you pull it, you pull these little things, it's gonna tighten up on the back of your head. So I'm excited. And the curls are already in the hair. Let me put this thing on. I'm excited. This is different. Putting the wig on. Oh, let me pull it back a little bit. This is how we're looking. Looks really cute. Looks good. Straight out the package. Looks good, but I would add a little spray here to the wig, especially since this is a 360 wig. You want to be able to add tension and pull it with like a bun or something. I'm sorry y'all, I got like a tan line, but you want to be able to pull it. So we are just gonna add a little spray. This is gonna be like a really quick install. This isn't like a real intense install at all, you guys. This is really easy. So we're just gonna add a little spray up here. I could have just used those little tape thingies I showed you all, but let's just add a little spray. Okay, we're gonna do another layer, the second layer, really quickly. Okay, and now we're just gonna do one more layer. And apply the wig where we want it to go. And blow dry. Okay, so we're just gonna add a little extra makeup to the lace to make it really give. Make it give. And we also need to free the ears a little bit. So I'm gonna cut some slits in this wig just so the ears can be like free. So we can poke the ears out since we're doing like updos and all of that. Since this is a 360 wig, we're probably gonna have the hair up. So we need to have the ears out. Okay guys, so I am just going to use a little bit of spray to make sure I secure the back. And I think I do want just a little bit of baby hair, just a little bit. But let's add a little spray to the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it down, put the lace down, spray one more time. I feel like I should have did that after I get the wig like how I want it to go. But we're gonna add like a little baby hair to the temples. Just to the temples over here. And over here. I do still need to melt the wig. So I know it's looking like, Brittany, I can kind of see your lace. But we're gonna melt the wig in a little bit, you guys. I just wanna get the baby hair laid and the back of the wig laid before we do all that. And I'm going in with some argan snot. Honestly, we can make this like a messy bun, so we don't want our baby hairs just too perfect. So let's do like a little messy bun, have a little messiness, bring some pieces down by the ear right here, right there, bam. Bring a little piece down right here by the ear. Let's go ahead and make this a nice little bun. I am happy this thing has those curls in it because it really is making it look like, this looks really, really cute. It's like almost classy like the way they pluck this wig, it looks so, so good. I'm still gonna melt my lace, but I just wanted to see it right now. I just wanted to visualize everything. But let's add a little more spray up here because we want this to eat. So we're gonna add a little more spray. And guys, this looks so cute. I love it. It almost looks like classy like. And the back is just laid, honey. Let me make sure it's laid. But yeah, the back is laid over here. I feel like you could add like a few little like baby hairs down like this in the back to make it just like, eat a little more. Do something a little fancy. Very cutesy. But yeah. This is cute. Didn't even need to brush the curls out, but the curls add some flavor and some personality. This oil spritz kind of removes any excess shine to my head. Bam. And yeah, and this looks really, really cute. Like, you know, it's like not trying too hard, but it looks fancy. I like it, like it. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to link the wig in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.